Larkana. Report Dilbar Shahid. Pakistan People's Party leader and MP Jamil Ahmad Sumro held an open Khuli Kachehri at Zulkar Park, Larkana, where he listened to public complaints and issued on the spot instructions to concerned department for their immediate resolution. Speaking on the occasion, he said, "The PP is the People's Friendly Party committed to public welfare and social justice." He stated that under Sindh government directives, open kacheris are being held to directly address citizens' issues. He assured priority action on cleanliness, load shedding, drainage, hospital medicine availability, and law and order matters. Directing officers of SEPCO, Public Health Engineering, and local government to avoid delays. He also instructed SEPCOs to reduce load shedding and hold daily open kacheri at their offices. MPA Jamil Ahmad Sumro emphasized that resolving public issues is his top priority and warned that negligence would not be tolerated. Senior officials, including Commissioner Tahir Hussain Sangi, DC Dr. Sharjil Nurchanna, Mayor Advocate Anwar Ali Lohar, SSP Ahmad Chaudhry, along with other officers, journalists, and citizens were present.